What is up, guys? It's Wednesday, which means it is Chat GPT picks our dinner tonight. We skipped last week because my mom was in town, so we're back at it this week. I think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, maybe Deerberg's, I don't know. So let's just get to it. I think I'm gonna prompt it with shrimp this week. Yeah, let's just get to it. Let's see what it picks for us for tonight. Let's do, give me a recipe for dinner for 2 people using shrimp. Garlic butter shrimp pasta. I mean, the good news is I have a lot of this stuff. So, yeah. All right, let's get to it. I'll make a list and let's get to shopping. So it says to put 4 tablespoons of butter in a pan and melt it. So that's what I have going there. And I'm gonna put my pasta in the water and get it going. And I'm gonna use half a box because it says 8 ounces. And 1 box is a pound. So use half a box. Okay, so the recipe calls for red pepper flakes, but I'm gonna use these because they're really good, and I want to cook with it. But I'm not gonna add a lot. I'm not trying to like kill us. That's probably definitely 100% enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Fun little tip that I do is I soak my shrimp in some milk for like an hour before I cook them because it makes it less fishy, and Jonathan always complains about a fishy flavor in shrimp. So this is just what I do because it's what he likes. And anything that Jonathan likes, I'll do it. So I'm just gonna cook these a couple minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna take them out of the pan and put in my broth. Okay, now I'm gonna let this simmer for just a couple minutes until I add my heavy cream. It says to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, but I am going to measure with my heart and not a cup. Now I just need to let this melt, and then I'll add my pasta back in, then I'll add the shrimp, and then we'll be good to go. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper though. Okay, I let the cheese melt, and now I'm just gonna add the pasta in, because it just got done. Okay, so it does say you can add a little bit of lemon, so I am going to add a little bit of lemon because I have it and I don't want it to go bad. So I'm adding like the juice of like half a lemon-ish. Now I'll mix it up. I look like trash because I was cooking and it's really hot in here now. But after tasting this, I give it like a 9.5.
I give it an 8.
Ooh, look at that lighting.
Horrible.
I know. But it's really good. I like it. Jonathan likes it.
Yeah.
I feel like you're picky with shrimp too.
Yeah, it's really good.
This is a winner for sure. It's up there with the curry. This is our dog, Calvin. Hello. Tell all of the people goodbye. Bye. I'm jumping back on here to say that if you have ghost chilies, you should add it to this pasta because Jonathan says that it's delicious and it makes the pasta better. And it definitely does. It's definitely spicy. Okay. Because Calvin's squeaking goodbye.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. our sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain.